Okay, I've clamped the LED down onto the board very crudely with screws. I mean, will probably still do it with screws, but not quite as crudely. And I've left a lip of the heatsink sticking out underneath so that I can wedge the temperature sensor in there, and it's going to flash up here what the temperature is. So wedging. Point it away. Fan on. It's audible, not massively loud. It'll be fine inside the enclosure, and the light's going to be mounted quite high up anyway. Temperature saying 25 degrees C. It's my 240 volt AC input. It's off. And fire to the wire. Okay. So now I'm just monitoring this, which has gone from 25 to 28 fairly quickly. I don't want to be cooking all my stuff. Yeah, the temperature sensor's in place. LED's clamped onto the heatsink. So we're climbing quite rapidly. And we're putting out, right, where can I clamp on here? Set it to the 2 amp range, null it out, 1531, okay, pretty much the same. So it's pumping 1500 milliamps through the £2 LED with the quite small heatsink, obviously attached to this massive heatsink that's running. I can feel the warmth. Okay, it's not going up half as quickly as it was at all. So I mean, I could even put an adjustable voltage regulator in there to sort of knock it down to what's needed to keep the heatsink and the LED at, I don't know, 60, 70, I think would be tops. I'm sure they go a lot higher, but I'm also sure that running them at the lowest temperature possible is good for them. I just want this thing to run. Well, it's going to be for my van, I think, actually, pointing out the back of the van as a work light, running off the 24 volt solar. Yeah, so that looks like it's going up a bit, but that looks like it's plateauing. At about 44 degrees, it's saying now. Okay, the LED is considerably hotter than that. I have asbestos fingers.